first, if you're ever in the North Myrtle Beach area, I know you've passed by it. It's Forever Floor and Tile. Our Danielle had the opportunity to learn a little bit more about their business. Take a look.
Well, we are here at Forever Floor and Tile with the owner here, Ted. And Ted, we're going to start off to congratulate you guys for being best of the Grand Strand, your first year in business here. Tell us how that feels for you guys.
It feels amazing. I couldn't be more humbled and appreciative about winning, that award. We definitely appreciate WMBF for hosting that. The customer support has been outstanding, and it just gives me the chills to think about it.
So awesome, first year. And when did you guys exactly open up?
We opened in July of last year, so we claimed our independence in July.
All right, okay, there you go, love it. So let's talk about, now you guys have been open for around a year, let's talk about some things you offer.
Well, being a full-service flooring company, we offer, every facet of flooring that you can think of, everything from waterproof flooring. Recently, we are definitely excelling in customized tile showers, bathroom renovations. Carpet is one of our specialties, and hardwood.
Awesome. And what really separates you guys in the Grand Strand?
I would say what separates us the most probably is, our team is fantastic. The custom designs that we offer, the experience that we have, and all the new stuff that we offer. Being a newer store, we have a lot of the newer items out there. We carry a lot of the things the big box stores don't carry.
Awesome. And let's talk about this, because I know I'm interested in learning about this. Coming in here from start to finish, you don't know really anything about flooring. How do you walk people through that process? It's a system that we put in place. We understand that when a customer comes in, it can be very overwhelming. We have a lot of customers that build new construction homes. So, when they've got a lot going on, you're right, it does get very, very confusing and very taxing. So we've simplified everything for a customer. We'll bring them in, we'll sit them down, we'll talk about their project. We'll find out what their needs are. And the biggest thing is we separate our store in a division. So when we focus on one thing, you're not confused about everything. You just go to one section, we talk about it, and find exactly what you need. Awesome. And as far as your hours, when you guys are open, tell us a little bit about that.
So we're open right now, Monday through Saturday, from 8 to 5.
8 to 5, and is it kind of just a walk-in type thing?
Primarily it's a walk-in. Considering the times that we're going through, we do have Sundays available for customers that want that one-on-one appointment and don't want anybody else in the store. So all you have to do is call us, and we'll set that up for you.
All right, wonderful. Well, some great info from you guys. Thanks for your time.
Sure.
We really appreciate it.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.